Are you using Salon by Premier software or one of our legacy systems but wish to connect to them from a different PC or laptop? Well, with a hosted license you can do exactly that. My name's Edgar and today I'll be outlining the benefits of our hosted licenses. With a hosted license, you'll be granted access to your system software using your home PC or laptop with an internet connection. That means after a quick installation on your home device, you can double-click the launcher and access the details for your reception PC or laptop software no matter where you are. We have two types of hosted licenses to suit your needs too. With a dual hosted license, two people can access different areas of your system at the same time. For example, your staff can log into reception to make bookings at the salon, whilst you can log into Manager to manage the backend from home. With an additional hosted license, any number of staff can access the system at the same time. That means multiple people can make bookings remotely in reception without taking control away from one another. The same applies for any other area of your system. That's not all. A hosted license will mean your database is hosted on our online server. This means your system will be automatically backed up whenever any changes are made within the system. This real-time live backup means that even if something unforeseen happened to your PC or laptop, your system data will be safely stored and ready to access again as soon as you are able. So, interested in a hosted license? At just £15 per calendar month plus VAT on a 12-month licensing contract alongside a support contract, you can securely back up your data and access it remotely for peace of mind. Our team will then be in contact to make sure your PC meets the requirements before progressing. It's then simply a case of hosting your system with your new license, which will require a 3-hour downtime as we transfer the details. To inquire about your hosted license, why not contact us on 01543 466 580. You can also email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Our team will be happy to help answer any further questions you may have. I hope you found this video insightful. For more helpful advice on Premier software systems, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos. We also have several social media channels for you to follow for regular content at Premier Software. In the meantime, check out our other videos and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.